If you're looking for the most precise, most powerful 3-axis mill on the market, this is it. The Jupiter VMC4024. Greater amplifier output? Yes. Spindle power, 44 horses ready to rip. Axis motors, more muscle, more control. Power meets precision. This isn't a spec sheet flex. It's a fully engineered beast built to crush tolerances and dominate uptime. Roller packs under rigid linear guides deliver rock solid motion under serious load. We're holding 4 microns, part after part. This machine doesn't drift. It locks in. The spindle, dual contact bearing pack, driven by a 44 horsepower motor with high output amp, relentless torque, rock solid temps, longer tool life. Every axis runs on its own independent drive with dedicated torque and twice the encoder resolution. We're sampling feedback twice as often as conventional systems. Think 1024 versus 2048 positions per revolution. Twice the data, twice the precision. Now check the specs. 36 by 20 by 20 or go big, 40 by 24 by 24 Meehanite frame, massive roller packs, super precision reinforced linear guides, ball screws that don't blink, the custom Fanuc OINF Plus control, bright backlit touchscreen, QWERTY keyboard, smart, safe, standardized, built for real work. No waste, all profit. Aerospace, space, medical, any job where every micron matters. We didn't build the 4024 to keep up, we built it to level you up. To land the toughest clients, to run the most profitable high-stakes works out there. The Jupiter VMC4024 is the most precise, most reliable, hardest hitting 3X vertical mill on the planet, and it's 4-axis ready, 3+2 capable, your gateway to full 5-axis freedom. Call 844-JMT for CNC, book your demo. The Jupiter VMC4024, built for the bold, powered for precision, now let's make money.